Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dave McLean Robinson, and today we'll be making potato, Chinese sausage, and rice. So today we're gonna cut your potatoes into small cubes. Now you want to have them this small, so that way they'll cook easier and they'll cook faster. Okay? So as I'm cutting my potatoes into small cubes, getting them ready to throw them in my pan. Now, I'm cutting my other potato. Now, as I'm cutting my potatoes, we will also remember, you gotta cook your rice on high heat to start it off. Okay. Now, you have your Chinese sausages here. Okay. Now, you're gonna add this much to your pot for the potatoes. Now we're gonna move these other potatoes out of the way. Now for your Chinese sausage, you're gonna cut these into cubes. Now the best key to having Chinese stir-fried rice is to make sure you always put love into it. Okay? When you put love in your food, comes out amazing. Now I'm not going to cook the last sausage. I'm just going to use 2 of the Chinese sausage because it's for serving for two people. Now, this rice, you can't go wrong with this rice, okay? I repeat, you cannot go wrong. Now that we got that done and out the way, wash your hands. Good. Wash the hand. Now take your oil. I like to do a little bit of olive oil. You know what I mean? Just throw a little dab over the sausage and the potatoes. Not too much. Just to give it, put your heat on high. Now, I like to use jasmine rice. As you can see, we have exactly enough rice to make for 2 people. So, as we're heating up the potatoes and sausage, okay? You want to cook that heat. Cook that heat. Make that heat real high. That's how we're going there. We're going to blend that rice in afterwards to the after food. So, anything else? You know where to subscribe my button, subscribe my page, follow my music, follows Berryz Kitchen.